Why is it said that the universe began with a big bang? Imagine this for a moment. There was no sky, no stars, no planets, no time, no space, nothing, and then everything. This idea is what scientists call the Big Bang. But here's the first surprise. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was the creation of space itself. So why do scientists say the universe began this way? And how do we even know something like this happened? Let's break it down. The universe is expanding, and that changes everything. In the 1920s, astronomers noticed something strange. When they looked at distant galaxies, they saw that almost all of them were moving away from us. Not just a few, almost every single one. This means the universe is expanding. Now here's the key idea. If the universe is expanding today, then yesterday it was smaller. And if we rewind time far enough, everything must have been closer together. Go back far enough, and the entire universe was packed into an extremely hot, extremely dense state. That moment is what we call the Big Bang. Not a bang, but a beginning. The name Big Bang is actually misleading. There was no sound, no fireball exploding into empty space, because there was no empty space yet. Space itself was being created, everywhere expanded at once. There was no center, no edge. The universe didn't expand into something, it expanded as everything. The oldest light in the universe. Now here's one of the strongest pieces of evidence. In 1965, scientists accidentally discovered something called cosmic microwave background radiation. This is faint heat energy coming from all directions in space. It's the leftover glow from when the universe was only 380,000 years old. That's incredibly young on a cosmic scale. This radiation matches exactly what scientists predicted would exist if the universe began hot and dense. It's like finding baby photos of the universe. Why stars and galaxies support the Big Bang. Another clue is how stars and galaxies are arranged. The Big Bang predicts that tiny differences in the early universe would grow over time, forming galaxies, clusters, and cosmic structures. When scientists mapped the universe, that's exactly what they found. The pattern matches the theory perfectly. What happened before the Big Bang? This is where things get weird. According to current physics, time itself began with the Big Bang. So asking what happened before might be like asking, what's north of the North Pole? Time didn't exist yet, so before may not even make sense. Some theories suggest a previous universe, a cosmic bounce, multiple universes. But right now, we don't know. And science is okay with saying, we don't know yet. Why the Big Bang is still a theory, but a strong one. In science, a theory doesn't mean a guess. It means an explanation backed by evidence. The Big Bang Theory explains why the universe is expanding, why space is filled with ancient radiation, why galaxies formed the way they did, why the universe is cooling over time. No other idea explains all of this so well. That's why scientists accept it. What the Big Bang means for us. Here's the mind-blowing part. Every atom in your body, carbon, oxygen, iron, was created after the Big Bang, inside stars. You are literally made of cosmic history. The universe didn't just begin out there, it continues inside you. Final thought. The Big Bang isn't just a story about the past, it's the reason stars shine, the reason time moves forward, the reason anything exists at all. And the biggest mystery remains. Why did it happen? That question is still unanswered, and that's what makes the universe endlessly fascinating. If you love questions like this, subscribe to Cosmos Why, because the universe always has another why